welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thanks.
Who are you?
My name's Ethan Jan. I'm from Redlands, California.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
17 years old, so you're in school.
Yeah, I'm a junior in high school.
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
I actually don't really have much of an idea.
Well, what are you going to do for us?
Just gonna do a quick Rubik's Cube act.
You make it sound so much more exciting than it actually is.
Yeah.
Do you think you can win this contest? Well, that's the spirit.
Yeah.
Okay. I cannot wait to see what you're going to do right here.
Thanks.
Go ahead, buddy.
So, judges, may I please come down to the front desk over there?
Please, the front desk. We're not checking you out.
Or desk.
Do you want to talk to the concierge?
All right, so in front of the four of you, there's a Rubik's Cube. Could all of you please scramble them up as much as you would like?
Like whatever we want?
Yes.
Okay.
You know what I used to do when I couldn't figure it out? I would take all the stickers off and re-stick them.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
good.
pretty good.
All right, now that these Rubik's Cubes are all scrambled up, I'm gonna do something a little bit fun.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital. To rock around, that's right. On time, it's tricky. It's the play. Here we go.
It's tricky.
It's tricky, 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 tricky.
That is incredible. No, you're not doing that.
It's a pity 'cause we just can't hide. Tinted windows don't mean nothing. They know we It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right. On time is tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right. On time is tricky. Tricky, 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 tricky.
For this last one, I'm gonna take you to the next level.
Even bother my performer 'cause he's down with me.
What's the next level?
Upstairs.
It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right. On time is tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right. On time is tricky. Tricky, 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 tricky. John, but we don't care. Get trick on that shot 'cause this is it.
I don't think he's a real human.
What are you?
He's a genius, Howie. That's what he is.
Sophia, what do you think?
That was so surprising because I thought when I met you that you were not very excited for what you were going to
Oh
do.
no, I was like so excited. I was just a little bit nervous at the same time. I wasn't sure how to act. And
Yeah, now you're transforming in front of us, and that was amazing. That was flawless. It was super fun.
It was showmanship as well.
Yeah.
Heidi?
Someone doing Rubik's Cube, it doesn't in theory sound super exciting, but this was so incredible. I mean,
Thanks.
again, I don't think that there's a human inside of you. You're probably a robot, or I don't know, because your eyes were like zzz, zzz, zzz. It was incredible what you've just done. Incredible.
What you did was truly amazing, and I love how you underplayed it, and then you just dazzled us. So we are going to vote. I would like to start off with the first yes.
Thanks.
Second yes.
We love being surprised. That was a big surprise the whole time, and that's why you've now got 4 yeses.
Oh my God! Wow! Thank you so much.
It was fun.
Amazing. That's a nice kid.
How do you feel right now?
I'm just really happy to have gotten 4 yeses. That was really unexpected.
Well, you deserve it. You deserve it. You did such a great job, my man. Absolutely incredible.